In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist Karma for productivity. We'll walk through, step by step, how to turn on Todoist Karma feature, and I'll explain what you're doing along the way so it all makes sense. By the end, you'll have Karma fully enabled and ready to help you stay motivated and track your progress. First, open your Todoist app on your computer or in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account where you manage your tasks. At the top of the screen, on the left side, look for your profile area. This is usually shown as your profile picture, your initials, or a small circular icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can access all your account-related options. From that profile menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Todoist keeps all of your main configuration options for the app, including appearance, notifications, and productivity tools. Click on Settings to open the full settings window or page. Inside Settings, you'll see several sections or tabs running across the top or down the side, depending on the version you're using. Look for the tab called Productivity. This is the area dedicated to features that help you understand your work habits and stay on track. Click on Productivity to open that section. Within the Productivity settings, you'll see an option for Karma. Karma is Todoist's built-in point system that rewards you for completing tasks, hitting daily and weekly goals, and maintaining streaks over time. It turns your productivity into a kind of gentle game, which can be a great way to stay consistent. Find the toggle switch next to Karma. If Karma is currently turned off, that switch will look inactive. Click on the toggle to turn it on. Once it's enabled, you may see additional options for things like daily goals, weekly goals, and how Karma is calculated. Take a moment to glance through these so you understand what Karma will be tracking for you. After you've turned Karma on and reviewed the options, look for the button labeled Update or Save at the bottom of the productivity settings. This step is important because if you don't confirm your changes, Karma might not actually be activated on your account. Click on that Update button to save everything. That's it. You've now turned on Todoist Karma, and from here on, your completed tasks and consistent work will start contributing to your Karma score, helping you visualize your progress and stay productive.